In Islamic tradition, there are several monsters and creatures believed to inhabit hell, including Zabaniya, giant angels who guard the gates of hell and torment the wicked; Malik, the angel of hell, who is responsible for punishing the inhabitants; Ifrit, a powerful and terrifying demon made of fire; Marid, a giant, powerful demon who torments the wicked; Shaitan, Satan the devil, who is believed to reside in hell and tempt humans to sin; Dajjal, the Antichrist, who is believed to appear before the end of time and lead humanity astray; Azazel, a giant demon who is said to be the leader of the Ifrit; Ghul, a monster that roams the deserts and mountains, said to be a creature of hell; Shik, a creature with half a body, said to be a punishment for those who were stingy with their wealth; Thial, a creature with a long neck and sharp teeth, said to be a punishment for those who were arrogant and proud. These creatures are believed to be part of the torments of hell and are used to punish the wicked and rebellious.